Hey guys, today what we're going to be doing is automatic transmission fluid service and filter service on this 2008 Subaru Forester 2.5 liter non-turbo. So this vehicle does have quite a bit of miles. We actually don't know when was the last time the transmission service was done. Okay, so I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but right there, that is where the transmission fluid level checker slash fill hole is. It's literally hidden, as you can see. From here, you can't really see it. You really have to like get in there to find it. So what we're going to be using is the Klondike automatic transmission fluid. This one does work for this Subaru transmission, and also this filter. It's kind of nice how it goes on like an oil filter, and then we already checked the transmission dipstick does come out, so we don't have to worry about not being able to take that out. So we're gonna have my friend go under his vehicle and start trying to unloosen the drain pan. So for the drain plug, the socket size is a 17 mil that you want to use. Same thing for this one, you might have to use a hammer to just get it loose. Okay, just give me the ratchet. Let me see if I can do it from here. Yeah. Okay, hammer. Just loosen it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now loosen it.
Okay, I'm scared. Okay, let's see.
So grab the drain plug by the top, so you don't get oil all over your hand. Like the top. So like go like this.
Yeah.
Or that. Oh, it's dripping. The color looks dark. There you go.
Okay. At least it's not black.
It's more like a dark
red.
Yeah. Okay, put your arm out. Okay, you're dripping.
On the cardboard though.
Okay. Okay, well, what we just found out is usually right here is where the automatic transmission filter is, but on this vehicle it looks like it's the permanent filter that's in there, so we won't be able to put the filter in. And as I mentioned, the drain plug is 17 mil. I have looked it up online, and looks like some of the models or some of the years actually have revisioned oil filter. So some like anything from like 2001 to 2008, some have an oil filter like the screw off one, and some of them don't. And looks like for this vehicle it has a permanent one, so we won't be replacing the filter, it looks like. And now what we're going to be doing is we drained about 6 liters of transmission fluid. We're gonna put that in and then start the vehicle, go through all the gears including reverse, neutral, drive, and 1, 2, and then see and then check the fluid level. If it's hopefully low, then we can always add a little bit more and then go from there. What we're going to do first is put about 4 liters of ATF fluid in, and then lower the vehicle down, start it, go through every single gear, and then check the fluid level and see if we have to fill it up more. We do have 7 liters of, or so 7 jugs of fluid, so we'll see how we go. So just leave it in there. So right now he's just cleaning up some of the mess that he created. So after that is done, we'll start the vehicle for about 10 to 20 seconds. Let the fluid kind of cycle a little bit, and then check the dipstick to see what the fluid level is like. And then if it's low, then we'll add more. Right now I didn't want to put more in, just in case the fluid, well, we did take a lot of fluid out, but it's better to be cautious than just go and do all of it. So now we just started the vehicle and then just went through each gear, 5 seconds each, and then same thing coming up. And then now we're just going to check the fluid level to see if it's even on the dipstick or not. If not, then we'll just keep filling it up. So we're here. It's hard to levels. Yeah, no, we're below, so we should be pulling that in. Okay. Guess I can take this out. So it is still below the fill level. Where it was is, as you can see, there's a, I don't know how well you might be able to see, but there's a cold and hot. And right now it's by the cold
Middle. It's like between cold and hot.
yeah.
So we're probably low.
So
hot.
right now we're just gonna fill it up, 1 more jug, and then we should be good. Probably half of jug, and then we'll check it again and then go from there. Okay, so we just start the vehicle again. So now I'm just gonna check the fluid level. Okay, so I just checked the dipstick and it looks like now the vehicle is a little bit warmer. It is hitting about a little bit above full. The dipstick for the Subaru is kind of stupid. So what we'll have to do is just open up the drain plug a little bit, let some of the fluid come out, and then we'll just put the drain plug back, start the vehicle, turn it off, and then check the fluid level, and then hopefully it should be good by then. So we did have to drain about probably 500 milliliters, so half of the jug that we put in extra that we had to take out. And after the vehicle got a little bit warmer and when we checked the fluid level, yeah, it's right on, it's actually right below the full level, so we should be pretty good now. Now what we're going to be doing is, because the vehicle doesn't need filter, this is basically at the end of the video. So we were able to take out about 500 milliliters, so half of a jug out of the vehicle by just playing with the drain plug a little bit to just drain slowly. Now I just checked the dipstick and looks like we are in the right level, right fluid level. So that part is done. Because this vehicle doesn't have an automatic transmission filter, we're gonna skip that part. And now we're just going to check the drain bolt, make sure it's, or drain plug, making sure it's tight enough. It's same thing for last video, just UGA, and it should be really good. I don't have a torque wrench right now here. It's in my Golf R, but I don't have my Golf R here as we just took this vehicle. If you guys like this video, give a like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.